If you're an enterprise architect, there's no doubt you've heard of ArchiMate before. ArchiMate is an international standard established by the Open Group. The standard describes the graphical language for enterprise architecture modeling. Keep watching to learn about a few reasons why you should sign up for an ArchiMate 3 course today. Overview. This training course is intended to enable the learners to develop the skills and knowledge required to perform effective enterprise architecture modeling using the ArchiMate 3.0 language. During the training course, participants learn about the structure of the language as well as its concepts, principles, and assumptions. The training focuses on practical exercises consisting of analyzing and creating models compatible with the ArchiMate 3.0 standard. After completion and successful certification examination at Pearson VUE test centers, attendees obtain ArchiMate 3 Practitioner certificate. Key features. There's a ton included in the price of your course. You'll get delivery of a 2-day ArchiMate 3 course conducted by a certified and experienced trainer, exam vouchers for parts 1 and 2, the Open Group official ArchiMate 3.0 specification coursebook, supplementary training materials, and more. Throughout the process, you can expect multimedia presentations, group exercises and discussion, practical workshops, case study, and practice tests. Who should attend? This course is addressed to anyone willing to acquire knowledge about the ArchiMate language. Of course, those in certain industries can stand to benefit quite a bit. This is the perfect course for enterprise and business architects, IT experts, data specialists, senior managers, and more. Price information. The training course net price per person includes the exam voucher. The applicable price is shown in the course calendar and depends on the course location. You can find the exact price of your course by visiting a course calendar. In order to obtain the ArchiMate 3 Practitioner, it's required to successfully pass both exams, ArchiMate 3 Part 1 exam and ArchiMate 3 Part 2 exam, both of which you can learn about on the Open Group website. It's mandatory to purchase the training course, including the certification exam voucher. At Architecture Center, we care about the details. Positive and efficient learning environments are key to our attendees' success in the preparation of the ArchiMate exam. To find out how you can schedule your course, get in touch with us today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.